Plug it in, Joe. We'll see what happens.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, got a radio to repair, an Astor, and it's let me get the paperwork. It's in the back. It's an Astor NJ 1950, and inside here I've got a schematic and some information on it, and also whoever repaired this, if I can find it. Oh yeah, and they've made some drawings on that, and all good stuff. It's just not working. It powers up apparently, but no sound comes out of it. So, my job, hopefully to get it to work. I'll get it out of the case, and we'll have a look and see what's been done to it. But I suspect it's been a complete restoration. So hopefully just something simple like a valve, rectifier, output valve, output tranny, speaker itself. Who knows? Well, let's check it out. So this is out, and they've repainted the chassis. Nice job too. A fair bit of dust on it. I think, what's that? New cap can? Don't know. We'll find out. Okay, let's have a look underneath. Which way? This way. Okay. Where are we here? Just get something underneath the power transformer so it sits up straight. So, can't zoom back. Like I said, this is an absolute big fucker. This, wow. What have we got? Main filter cap's still in place. Where's that cap can? Right there. That's also in place. So we've just had a couple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 capacitors. They would have been old waxies, I guess, and we'll assume they're okay. That's got to go, of course, and whatever that is, 16 or 24. 16s, has to be 16s, doesn't it? Thing I haven't got. And that's a 16 in there as well, so that'll go. But before we do all that, let's check the power supply, make sure that we're getting power, and then we can check the speaker. Right, I've got the speaker out and I've jumped it onto the wires, and we've got a 5Y3 rectifier, so that means pins 4 and 6 are the plate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just get it in there. And 6. Okay. I'm zooming in. I'll zoom out now so you can all see what's going on. And turn the Variac on, and we're on AC voltage. So let's give it a little bit of power. That's alright, and the current limiter's not glowing. So we've got HT there, and where are we? 5 volts. It's got to be. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's just a. I was looking at pin 5. There's a some wires attached to it, but that's just been used as an anchor point. So here we go. That's 5 volts there. Pin number 8 and pin number 2. All right. Bit of power, and that's all looking good. Great. So I'll check the speaker and the output tranny. Okay, so I'm ready. So that's actually the output transformer. I thought it was a choke. The choke's mounted up the top there. And it's pretty simple. Where are we? We've got, yeah, this wire there, and the blue wire going to the probably a 6v6. And let's see what we get here. Nothing. Alright. Yeah, that's the inputs. And let's just go to the output. And I think that's there. What's that give us? Nothing. Okay. Am I clearly doing something wrong? I don't know. Let's just go straight to the speaker and turn that on and see if we hear something. Speaker's okay. So, guessing the output tranny's shot. Alright, I'll just poke around a little bit more, make sure I've got my wiring correct, and I'll come back to you. I think I found the problem. The speaker wires there seems to be no connectivity from the two output wires, which are there and there. And however, I've jumped straight onto the output wires from the tranny, and nothing. Why am I getting nothing? Because I haven't connected my audio generator. So I had one of the wires wrong initially. There's one of them. I thought it was brown wire, but it wasn't. And there's our output. And let's see now. Still getting nothing. Okay, let me check my connections. Oh God. Okay, I've got it. It was just simply the connections. So, tone generator on. Think you can hear it. So, bad connection somewhere. Alright, that's nice and loud. So, cool. That's working fine. Alright. I'm going to now run a test to see if the rectifier is working. So I'll just give you a second to move things around. Okay, so I'm going to touch my multimeter over to, where are we? What's positive, what's negative? I think that's positive up here, to the main filter cap, and we'll monitor and see if it's getting DC voltage. So, there you go, now we can see it. And, okay, power's on there, so that's good. Alright, let's just raise the voltage up. Mains power, so that's 80 volts. DC's coming through. Get away from millivolts. Oh, the radio's working. Okay, but why am I getting millivolts? My connectors, oh God, my connector's not in. Maybe, let's try it again. Oh, that's better. Again, these cheap Chinese bloody probes. 250 odd volts, and the radio's working. Okay, so output valve's fine, rectifier's fine, and I was told it didn't work, but it does. And of course, think back. The problem with the those wires there, which you can see, they just weren't carrying the audio from the output transformer to the speakers, to the speaker. So I can only put it down to that. But okay, that's all good. I'm going to change those filter caps, and we'll run another test and see if that improves it at all. Well, I've got the filter caps in, and let's test it. And just bring up the power slowly. I'm also monitoring the main filter cap there. So 100 volts of mains power so far, and yep, no smoke. Let's bring it up. 170 volts. And just about at full power now. That'll do. Oh, what was that? Had a spark. Oh, let's investigate. I have no idea what that crack was. Just assume it was a spark, but didn't see anything. Alright, let's try it again. Well, we know the radio does work, so alright, the DC voltage is stabilising. Oh, there it goes.
Si bio Mislav Oršić, trener Slaven Belupa I Dinamo Zoran Zekić, Željko Kopić. Dinamo je zabio pol na jednu našu.
Yeah, Greek station again. Cool. Cool. Again, that crackle, the crack, apart from scaring the shit out of me, always a worry when something like that happens. You can't see where the spark is. But anyway, the sound is quite good actually. Given that the speaker is, just flat down on the desk. I'm going to go through and check those resistors for see if how many have gone high, and change them, and we'll see how we go from there. Well, here we are. The radio that I thought might have been a nightmare, in fact, wasn't. Just a simple case of no connectivity for the to the speaker. So that was, I'm glad I picked that up early. I mean, I guess my testing procedures for the power supply and the speaker, well, the speaker paid off this time for sure, and everything's fine. The radio's working really, really well. And I've replaced all the resistors that needed to be. And what else have I done? I've put in some automotive connectors for the speaker wires, for the speakers, so that we take the chassis out. Hey, just unplug it. Don't have to unsolder anything.
Okay, good. I mentioned earlier that crews have been up on Charles Road today, shifting traffic.
So that's cool. Very, very cool. And turn that off. I've all heard radios before. The other thing I've just done, where are we? Bring it around here, and I've, if you can see it, bring around some more. So I painted the dial pointer, just some nail polish, red. I thought that stands out against the cream background. So we'll let that dry. And that's it. Radio was restored and fixed, and it's going to go for years and years and years, I hope. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching. Another short video, but hey, why not, all good.